Have you ever read a law and wondered, wait a minute, what does that even mean? Well, you're not alone, and that is where statutory interpretation comes in. Let me explain how judges make sense of confusing laws. Now, statutory interpretation is the process that judges use to work out what Parliament meant when they passed a particular law. Why? Because laws don't always cover every situation that clearly. Words can be vague, outdated, or open to more than one interpretation or meaning. So judges need to apply the law to real life cases, and sometimes they have to interpret the wording to do that fairly. So there are three main rules that judges usually rely on. Number one, the literal rule. This is where they take the words in the statute and take them at face value. Literally. Even if the outcome seems a little bit strange, they stick to the exact wording. Number two, the golden rule. Now, if applying the literal meaning leads to something that's absolutely absurd, like a contradiction or nonsense, they tweak the interpretation just enough to avoid that kind of result. Number three, the mischief rule. This one's about purpose. So the judges ask the question, what is this law trying to fix? Then they interpret it in a way that tackles that problem, even if it's not the most literal meaning. So let's say that a law bans vehicles in a public park. Does that include a bicycle, or a wheelchair, or a mobility scooter? Well, the literal rule might say yes to all three. But the golden or mischief rule might say, actually, this law is about stopping noisy traffic, not about banning people from getting around. So statutory interpretation isn't just about reading the words, it's about understanding the law's purpose in the real world. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more legal content like this.